on this very program. If you're lucky, we will try to call you back if you are fortunate. That is. I have the caller now on the line. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. My
Please.
name is Edwin Okoro.
Your name is what?
From Kogi State. Edwin Okoro from Kogi State.
Say that name again so the world will hear you. What is your name and where are you from?
Okoro Edwin from Kogi State.
Okoro Edwin.
From Kogi State.
Are you an Igbo man or you a Kogi man?
Yes. Yes, I'm a original Igbo from Kogi State.
And Ohaneze is saying 5 southeastern states. And they claim they are leaders. Your name is Okolo. You are an Igbo man. You are indigenous to a place they carved into Kogi State. And people are telling me that you're from the north. So that when the caliphate is speaking, they are talking about you as a northerner. Do you accept that?
No, the problem in the eastern region is the problem is governor. The governor of Eastern, they are very bad. They are the one that allow the Fulani people to come and do rubbish in their area. Even in my own place in Kogi State, we live in our place in Isbaji. We don't allow Fulani to. We don't recognize Fulani as a human being. When I was very small, I used to ask my father, "Is Fulani are they a human being or animal?" Because they always be in the bush. We don't recognize them, don't take them, don't see them as a human being. But I wonder why Fulani, they are all over everywhere in Igbo land. They killing people. And they cannot try it and shoot one person in the Kogi State. We'll kill them all and kill the cow and throw it in the River Niger. But we wonder why all these things happen in how from north to Imo State. How possible? I'm surprised. How come?
From Mali, you're saying not. They come from Gambia. All the way from Gambia. From Gambia to Okigwe. At Loba. From all the way from Gambia. And we say we have governors. What is paining me is that people like you are called northerners. Kogi State is the north. Do you know Nnamdi Kanu put Kogi State as part of his Biafra? You are the evidence as to why I put Kogi State as part of Biafra. Because they carved the Biafrans into Kogi State.
I reject to be not. I'm not a not. I reject to be not. Kogi State is not a not. It's only that how Kogi, like a tongue inside the teeth. No, tongue is inside. The teeth cover tongue. See, Kogi State have border with Anambra State, have border with Enugu State, then have border with Delta State by River Niger, have border state by Edo State. It's a little bit far from it. Kogi State is supposed to be east. It's supposed to be north.
Unbelievable.
It's supposed to be north.
Unbelievable. Hey, Britain.
It's all this dividing and sharing of these things that's causing problem. And what is there is the youth all the youth in Igbo land have to wake up, because we don't wait for our governor, don't wait for anybody, to anywhere we see Fulani with cow, we don't listen to king. We don't listen to anybody. Anywhere we see Fulani come with cows, we pursue them immediately. We don't take any order for anybody. We youth, we are very, very organized.
Thank you very much.
All the youth have wake up.
We are waking up. I'm not a youth, of course. I'm an elderly man now. We have woken up, and the youths are doing the needful.
What I'm trying to say.
Go ahead.
The youth at home, I'm saying, the youth at home.
Yes.
The youth at home have to wake up.
And they have woken up, I assure you. Anybody doing cultism, go and look for the nearest Fulani and do your cultism there. Not in the village. If we catch you, you're a gunner. Go and do your cultism against Fulani. As they are doing in Ibaji, in Kogi, that they claim is part of Fulani Caliphate. It will not be well with all those people, I'm telling you. Thank you very much, my dear brother, for this very enlightening call this very morning. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. I remember he is in Germany. So we are told he is in Germany. He's from Ibaji in Kogi. and he's supposed to be a northerner. We when they say we northerners cannot, they include him. Zoo.